Since we got the patent in 2010, we really stepped up our game. First and foremost, we finalized the quality of the product by ensuring that all the stainless steel parts were manufactured to a high level of specification. The biggest thing we wanted to do was make people understand that this seemed to be a huge amount of waste compared to this. Microflashing is critically important to the future of solar installs. What we are trying to do here at Solar Roof Hook Quick Screws is reduce the amount of material waste. Look, solar is an eco business, and so we might as well look at it holistically and say, honestly, when this portion is the only thing you need to cover your penetrations, and we're using this, doesn't make any sense to us. This made more sense. It just seemed more reasonable, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to cover the penetrations 100%. Because of its ASTM standing water testing, which was zero loss after 3 weeks. This is an example of a product that's been on the roof for less than 4 weeks. When we remove the product, we remove the actual asphalt roofing with it. That's what you're seeing here, because the EPDM on the underside of this stainless steel microflashing embeds itself into the asphalt, and over time, it seals it and closes the hole 100%. Microflashing is the only product that seals the penetration and deflects the water from the penetration. All other flashings only deflect. Microflashing seals the penetration 100%, making it leak proof. We had a lot of people who didn't like the fact that we were putting this height up here, 6-inch height off the deck. A lot of people wanted their flashings and their penetrations a lot lower, closer to the deck, and so that's when we came out with what we call here the low profile QuickBOLT. The low profile QuickBOLT is now the #1 selling microflashing technology product in the world, and it is extremely fast and unbeatable. In the East Coast, we've seen a lot of the low profile QuickBOLT become very dominant because it is so fast to install. So one of the things we decided to do was actually make a size larger of the microflashing. One size larger, so this is a 3-inch, this is a 4-inch. We decided we had to have this in the event that the users themselves were missing the stud by more than a normal margin. Look, on every housing job we've seen, there are always a couple of penetrations that miss the stud for whatever reason. We just wanted to ensure that we made a product that, in the event they missed it by a lot, we'd be able to cover it. And that's the 4-inch version versus the 3-inch. So microflashing has become a critical part of Solar Roof Hook's concept. Solar Roof Hook sells a tremendous amount of tile roof hooks. We understand there's a myriad of methods on how to flash those penetrations. We've decided to bring our microflashing technology to roof hooks. We are now very close to bringing in the product line. I will tell you that once this has been finalized, we believe this will revolutionize completely how to flash for solar.